Denise Nickerson from Salt Consulting, and today we've had an amazing experience exploring the sense of smell. We're here with Goar Sanfilppo, who is the representative for all of Switzerland for one of the oldest French perfume houses, Galimard. We've been able to smell so many amazing perfumes, and we've just had an enjoyable time together discussing, and actually there's so much talent in Switzerland as usual. Here at this table together, as we've enjoyed a moment of friendship and exploring our senses, we actually have, of course, multilingual women from all over the world. From Russia, a financial advisor, also from Russia, a gemologist and jewelry designer. From Mexico, the owner of Boxmopolitan, which is a really fun subscription business where you get a box of gifts every month. A photographer from the Ukraine, and a literary expert. And we're all here because of Goar and her special way of having you experience these perfumes. So everyone, what did you think of your day?
Wow, so this was a fantastic multi-sensorial experience. We have tried different senses, not only the scent sense, and I really like it. My passion is also olfaction, which is perfume and the scent for the nose. And I really love getting to know this collection because it's history and it's becoming into the future. They are creating new formulations for this very traditional line. So it's a very, very fantastic experience. I'm very thankful, Bar. Thank you.
Thanks. So for me it was also a very amazing day. Thank you very much, because I learned something new about the senses, about the perfume, about the pyramid, how it's actually structured. And I'm actually was always curious but never had time for that. Today it was so amazing. It's just relaxing, a lot of sun around us, and I feel that it's not just the sun, but it's like the light from all the people. So thank you very much again.
I want also to point out that it's a very beautiful atmosphere here with all the flowers, the colors, the fragrances, the chocolates and nice drinks and beautiful smiles around. And what I have learned is how to choose your perfume right, which is right for you, how you can sense the correct notes. And for example, I chose for myself today this last perfume from Galimard. It's from the latest collection. It's called Plumitis. And what I liked about it, it had this jasmine fragrance together with mimosa, cardamom and white musk. So I think I will wear it now every day. Thank you.
I love attending Galimard workshops, and I'm a big fan of Galimard perfumes. I personally use two, Songerie for day and Feminissime for evening. I love it, and today I was also introduced to the new fragrance Plumetis, and I'm sure I will have a new fragrance in my collection. I love it.
I have to just make a comment about the feminine leadership that we've experienced, and this is something that's so much more than sales. So I just thank you. Would you like to say a word before we close?
For sure, they are these beautiful voices, these beautiful women, and we had this atmosphere, unique atmosphere, and every month I'm looking for this. And not only the perfume is the most important for the women, but also our relationship. So this is the main ingredient of the perfume, relationship.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.